Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to remove the parental controls in Epic Games. Now the first step that you want to take is open up Epic Games on your preferred browser. Now from there you log into the top corner, and once you've been logged in, simply go down to your account. Right below coupons you press account, and from there all your account settings will appear. Now from here we go to the top left, to the left corner, and here we see the parental controls. Now we simply press it, and from here, as you can see, we first need to set our parental controls. And if you already set your parental controls, simply put them in. Now let's say I want my parental controls set, create a pin, and from here you can put in the pin that you've created or that you recently created. Now here you can see the Epic Games payment. Now simply make sure that this is turned off. They always require a pin for purchases using Epic Games payment service. And when we scroll down to the social permissions, here simply put this one off as well, Epic Friends permission. This allows your child, or you in this instance, to send and accept friend requests. Now here, simply turn this one off, and that's it. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And if you still get questions, leave them down in the comments and I will try my very best to help you. And most importantly, thank you for watching.